Hi everyone. In this video, I want to demo Kimi.com, and Kimi is an AI LLM chatbot. It's one of my favorite chatbots, and I use it usually at least a few times every week, sometimes daily. And I think it's very high quality, similar to ChatGPT, Google Gemini, DeepSeek, and others. Kimi is a Chinese chatbot. Um, It's from Moonshot AI, the company, and Kimi.com really is very good in my opinion. And much of it, which is fantastic, is that much of it is open source, so you can download at least some of their AI models via Hugging Face, and they also put some of their code on GitHub. And for example, one of the most recent ones is K2, and it says here it's a state-of-the-art mixture of experts language model with 32 billion activated parameters and 1 trillion total parameters. Okay, so personally, I think the best way to test its quality is to actually use it. So, for example, you can ask it. I have a bunch of prompts here that I wanted to ask it. So first, I wanted to ask it about Docker. So Docker, the software. Let's ask it, explain Docker simply for a beginner in under 300 words with one real example. And I think it can give very good output. Look how fast it's going. So it says here, think of Docker as a shipping container for software, just like a physical shipping container packages up goods so they can move anywhere in the world. Docker packages your application and everything it needs to run, code, runtime, system tools, libraries, and settings, to a single portable unit called a container. I think that's fantastic. And it says why it matters. Traditionally, developers faced it works on my machine problem. Your app runs perfectly on your laptop but crashes on a server because the environments differ. Docker solved this problem by ensuring your application runs identically across any machine that has Docker installed. So one example is running a website. You've got a Docker file. So I think this is fantastic. And basically, you can copy the output like this. You click on the copy button, just like in ChatGPT or other Google Gemini, etc. And it will copy currently as Markdown. So you can use something like Markdown to HTML.com, copy it there, and then you can copy it into like a Google Doc or something else, maybe a LibreOffice document. And I think this is really fantastic. So, or you could copy it into a text file, whatever you like. And then you also have the option, I think, to share. You probably have the option to share it. Let's see here. Okay, maybe not. I'm not sure. Okay, yeah, we have the option to share it. I assume that's going to work. I don't have much time left for this video. And then let's ask it another question here. Okay, I'm going to ask it a question I ask of many AI chatbots. Give me pros. Excuse me. Give me pros and cons of colonizing other planets like Mars. So, of course, there are going to be many pros of colonizing Mars or other planets, or maybe moons of Saturn or Jupiter. Okay, so species survival, in case there's a nuclear war or something, our species can survive, and then there's enormous costs. It's one of the main cons, and also it's very dangerous going out in space. So Kimi.com, I think, is fantastic. I highly recommend you check it out. And I think it's on par with quality of ChatGPT or Google Gemini or Grok or others like that, or DeepSeek. So I highly recommend you check it out. And yeah, so if nothing else, it's a good competitor to the other ones. And also you can check out It's models. They've got papers. They wrote academic papers. So if you are interested to learn about that sort of stuff, you can check it out. You can also check out their code. So yeah, Kimi.com I think is a fantastic AI LLM chatbot. And yeah, so go check it out. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to or follow this channel, like this video, and see you in the next one. Thank you.